Most people think you need a huge following to land brand deals. You actually don't. What you do need is a clear understanding of how brands work and how to position yourself so that working with you feels easy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to land your first UGC brand deal step by step, even if you're just starting from zero. This is for beginners, no hype, no unrealistic promises, just how this actually works. Let's start with what UGC actually means. UGC stands for User Generated Content. But in this case, you're not posting content for your audience, you're creating content for brands to use. Brands don't hire you because you're famous. They hire you because you can create content that looks authentic, it is relatable, and it converts. You are being paid for filming videos, taking photos, creating short clips, recording voiceovers, or demonstrating how a product works. Most of the time, the brands post the content on their page, not on your page. This is why followers count doesn't really matter. Before you reach out to brands, you need clarity, not on everything, just on one main thing. Ask yourself, what type of products do I already use? What type of content feels natural to me to create? This could be skincare, beauty, tech, home products, baby or family items, fitness, food, or even lifestyle. You don't need to niche down forever. However, starting with one clear strategy helps brands understand how to choose you. Confusion doesn't convert, clarity does. Here is something important. You don't need brand permissions to create UGC samples. Your goal is to show how you talk on camera, how you structure a video, how you explain or demonstrate a product. You can use products you already own, affordable products from stores, or even mock scenarios. Focus on simple formats, a problem and then a solution. A short product demo, a calm explanation video of why something is useful. Quality matters more than perfection. Your samples are proof that you can actually do the job. Once you have sample content, you need one place to send brands. This doesn't need to be complicated. You can use Canva, Notion, just a simple one page website, or even a Google Drive folder. Your portfolio should include a short intro about you, your UGC samples, the type of content you offer, your contact info, and that's it. Brands want to quickly answer one question. Can this person create content that fits our brand? Make it easy for them to say yes. You don't even have to wait for brands to find you. You can reach out to brands you already use. Search Instagram, TikTok for active brands that are running ads. Check Shopify or Amazon brands. If a brand is already posting video content, that's a good sign. This means that they already understand the value of UGC. And your pitch doesn't need to be long. It needs to be clear, professional, and focus on the brand. You're not asking for a favor. You're offering them a solution to their problem. Your message should explain who you are, what kind of content you create, how this helps their brand, and where they can see your work. Keep it simple, keep it human. Most people overthink this part, so please don't. For your first UGC deal, focus on experience and confidence, not perfection. Many beginners start with one video, a short usage license, and a fair beginner rate. As you gain experience, your rates will increase. Remember, you're being paid for your time, creativity, and skills, not your follower count. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. A few things that slow people down are waiting to feel ready, overcomplicating portfolios, comparing themselves to creators years ahead of them, undervaluing their ability to create content. You're learning by doing, not by waiting. Your first UGC brand deal doesn't come from luck. It comes from clear positioning, simple actions, and consistency. You don't need to go viral. You don't need thousands of followers. You just need to show brands that you can help them communicate better. Just take it step by step and trust that progress comes from action. If you want more videos breaking this down in a realistic and beginner friendly way, stay connected because you're actually closer than you think. If you're on your way to becoming one of the best UGC content creators out there, please go ahead and give this video a like, as well as consider subscribing to my channel. Let me know also in the comments if you have any questions. I would be more than happy to assist you. Until next time, thank you for watching Every Day with Kate.